Good day everyone, especially Sir Noel. I am Kim J. Salobri, Automotive 1A. I am going to tackle the PPT1, which is NSTP or National Service Training Program. The Southern Leyte State University or SLSU began offering the National Service Training Program or NSTP in the first semester of the academic year 2002 to 2003. This initiative was in compliance with Republic Act or RE 9163, which was signed into law by President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo on March 23, 2002. The National Service Training Program or NSTP is a program in the Philippines that helps students learn about being good citizens and contributing to their country. It is required for all students in college and universities. NSTP, ROTC, and CWTS components offered in the university shall be undertaken for an academic period of 2 semesters and shall be credit for 3 units per semester for 54 hours per semester. All students, male and female, of any baccalaureate degree course or at least 2 years technical vocational courses in public and private educational institutions shall be required to complete one of the NSTP components as requisite for graduation. What is NSTP? NSTP is a program aimed at enhancing civic consciousness and defense preparedness in the youth by developing the ethics of services and patriotism while undergoing training in any of its 3 program components. There are 2 types of ROTC in SLSU, which is the Natural ROTC and Medic ROTC. Medic ROTC is a cadet within a Reserve Officers Training Corps program, typically in the Philippines, who is trained to provide immediately first aid and medical support to fellow cadets during training and emergencies. The Natural ROTC or Reserve Officers Training Corps teach military skills and leadership designed to provide military training to tertiary levels students in order to motivate, train, organize, and mobilize them for national defense preparedness. CWTS or Civic Welfare Training Service helps students work on community projects like health, environment, and educations. Refers to a program or activities contributory to the general welfare and the betterment of life for the members of the community or the enhancements of its facilities, especially those developed to improving health, education, environment, entrepreneurship, safety, recreation, and moral or the citizenry. Literacy Training Service or LTS is a program designed to train students to become teachers of literacy and numeracy skills to schools, children's out of schools, youth, and other segments of society in need of their service. The key thrusts of NSTP, especially under CWTS, are 1. Citizenship and leadership training. Teach students their rights and responsibilities as citizens and helps them develop leadership qualities to inspire others. 2. Environmental awareness and protections. Promotes care for the environment through activities like tree planting, waste management, and environmental campaign. 3. Drug education and prevention. Aims to spread awareness about the dangers of illegal drugs and encourages a healthy drug-free lifestyle. 4. Disaster risk reductions and management. Prepare students to respond effectively to emergencies and natural disaster through safety training and disaster planning. 5. National security awareness. Educates students about their role in safeguarding peace, safety, and national sovereignty. 6. Teamwork and leadership skills. Strengths, cooperation, communication, and leadership to achieve common goals in both school and community projects. 7. Moral and spiritual development. Promotes positive values, ethics, and spiritual growth to shape students into a good role models. 8. Livelihood and entrepreneurship. Provides skills and knowledge to create business opportunities, encouraging self-reliance and economic growth. And lastly, number 9, community development and volunteerism encourages students to volunteer and take part in projects that uplift communities and improve quality of life. Significance of NSTP and CWTS. NSTP and CWTS aren't just academic requirements, they are tools to shape us into a responsible and compassionate citizens. Through these programs, we learn civic responsibility, become aware of issues in our community, leadership, and teamwork. By working with classmates and community leaders, preparedness, gaining knowledge on how to respond to disaster, health issues, and social challenges, values and patriotism, fostering a genuine love for our country. CWTS especially empowers to us to make real change by helping communities. Simple act like teaching children to read or clean up in a neighborhood can have a huge impact. In our world today, full of environmental problems, natural disaster, poverty, and other challenges, NSTP is more relevant than ever. We, the youth, are the future of the nation. Through NSTP and CWTS, we gain the mindset that serving others isn't just a duty but also a privilege. It prepares us not only for career but also for real life situations where leadership, compassion, and responsibility are needed. The NSTP aims to make students more responsible, patriotic, and ready to help their country. It also teaches them about important issues like safety, drugs, and disaster preparedness. The program helps young people grow into better citizens who care about their community and country. In summary, NSTP is a program that molds a student into a better citizen, ready to serve and protect their community and country. Through its three components, ROTC, CWTS, and LTS, it gives us choices on how we want to contribute. CWTS, in a particular, opens our eyes to the needs of society and let us take action through service, projects, and community involvement. This program reminds us that we are not just students, we are nation builders. The lesson and experiences we gain here will stay with us for life, helping us compassionate, disciplined, and service-oriented individuals. That's all for today's discussions. As I end my presentation, I would like to thank you, all of you, for your time and attention. I hope you were able to gain knowledge that that we can apply in our daily lives. Thank you so much for watching and listening and for your support. Take care everyone and thank you very much. Bye.